Hello everyone. Are you wondering what Iykyk means? Let's explore. Iykyk stands for if you know, a phrase that refers to inside knowledge or jokes that only a certain group of people will understand. It's used to create a sense of exclusivity, where the meaning is only clear to those who are familiar with the reference. This expression often appears in social media posts, memes, or conversations where people share something that might seem cryptic to outsiders but immediately resonates with those in the know. Iykyk adds a layer of mystery or camaraderie, signaling that the content is meant for a specific audience. It's a way to bond over shared experiences or niche interests without needing to spell things out. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.